How, yeah, that's good. How did you come here? By hiking. Oh.
Yeah, I took a lot of videos.
So how was the experience coming here? Since this is your first time coming up here, where your lolo is one of the pioneers of this, what we call this, very noble work for God, especially molding the mind of students up here in the mountains. So okay, how, yeah. Would you be grateful for the work that your grandfather has started here?
I didn't listen, but yeah, I'm really grateful about that. It's a really good.
Really good thing. Thank you so much for joining us also, and I hope that this is not just the first time you will join us in this very what we call this
Stay here in the Philippines.
very good activities. So how do you call yourselves?
Mountain girls.
So they are the mountain girls.
The missionaries.
Right. They are the Solaz missionaries.
Bukid girls.
You're the Bukid girls.
We're not the spicy.
So how will you invite our what do you call this young people like you to join us this cause?
Yeah, guys, you should really come here. It's really nice. The air is so fresh. People are so nice. The view is amazing, and the hike was so fun.
The people are amazing. So, come and join us.
Yeah, we want an adventure.